Hello, yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. So today I'd like us to start off our analysis with a chart on my screen. This is Euro USD. We had a very good supportive level here. We had a support. This is a resistance. Sorry, we had a resistance. There was this breakout here. So as you're speaking right now, the price is above the same place. So this here will be a good place to look for a buy from. If the price can pull back and touch these two lines, we're going to be looking for a buy position. Our stop loss is fixed below the low of this candle here, and the take profit is somewhere here. So disregard the many lines you're seeing on my screens. We expect that the buyers will push price upwards at least up to this line. This is 1.08107. So if you take a buy position where we are saying, which is within this level here, expect the price to continue upwards at least up to this line here. My next chart is GBP USD. This chart has been in an uptrend for some time now. We've seen the price continue to the upper side. So we had a very good trend. We had a very good uptrend here, but for some reasons the price pulled back down. This is the first major pullback we've seen in in like 2 months. You can see we had a pullback. This was some pullbacks. Then we had a very big bullish move. The price continued upwards. Then we had this pullback here. So as we're speaking now, the price is approaching a very good support. This is a very good level where, as long as the price does not clearly descend and close below it, it could be a very good place to look for a buy from. So this here is a good place where we expect the buyers to come in strongly, somewhere within these two lines. The next chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. This is a sell. So we had a very good level of support. We had a support. There is a breakout. If the price pulls back and touches this line here, then this should give us a good place to look for a sell from. We are expecting the sellers to push price downwards at least up to this target here. So the idea here will be to keep looking for sell positions. If the price pulls back and touches these two lines, we will be looking for a sell position. We are expecting that the sellers will continue to push price downwards at least up to this target here. So my next chart, this is gold. So with gold so far, we are somehow in an uptrend. We had a shape like this. You can see we had a support, we had a support, we had a support, we had a support. Then there is another version of the same line. So these are the two lines where we do expect that the price may likely come back up to. Either the price pulls back up and touches this line, where we'll be looking for a sell position, or the price may pull back up and touches the next line, which is this one here. Either way, we'll be looking for a sell only when the price touches this level. So another approach is when the price touches this horizontal zone. You can see the price is already there. So this is a support. There is a break. We have a resistance. We have a resistance. So as it is, as we're speaking now, this will be a very good place where we want to look for a sell position from. We are expecting that the sellers will push us back downwards with our first target at 16.91. The next target at this price here. This is 1638.00. So you look for sell positions within these two lines. Expect the sellers to push price downwards with the first target at this price. The next target is set at this price here. So unless we see a clear breakout above this line, the upper trend line, this is still a very good sell. We do expect that the sellers will continue to push price downwards at least up to this target here. So this is a good place to look for a sell from, back towards this level here. My next chart is the SP500. So this looks like a very good sell. We are looking at sell positions as we're speaking now. This chart is headed for a sell. We are in a very good downtrend. So what we're looking out for on this chart is to wait for price to pull back, like we had this trend line. So this is like a resistance. We had a resistance, then we have another one. So the price is, this is a very good sign for a sell, which means during this week we actually expect that the sellers will continue pushing price to the lower side towards this trend line here. So if the price should break above this line, that may push price back upwards with our first target here. The next target is this one. The next target is this one here. So unless you see a clear break above this trend line, this is still a very good sell. We are still in a very good downtrend. Expect that the sellers will push us downwards at least up to this trend line here. So that should be my opinion on that chart. The next chart is Brent oil. This is also a sell. I'm saying it's a sell because we had a support here. This was like an inside bar, another inside bar, and what inside bar means is that the price is not able to break above this line, at the same time it's not able to break below this line, but overall we are in a very good downtrend. So as it is right now, we advise that you keep looking for sell positions as long as the price is held below 83.204. As long as the price is held below it, expect that the sellers will continue to push price downwards at least up to this price here. So technically sellers are in control on this chart. Sellers are in full control. Expect a move downwards at least up to this point here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of this analysis. We're going to meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.